Hi students, as I remember the lesson human health and diseases, we have discussed regarding addiction, and in the section addiction, the addiction to alcohol and alcohol abuse has been discussed, tobacco abuse has been discussed, but today we focus in this video on drugs. A substance used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological state for benefit of the recipient is called drug. Normally, drugs are used as medicine to help patient cope with pain, depression, insomnia, etc. But when it is taken or used for the purpose other than clinical use in such concentration or frequency that impairs physical, physiological, or psychological functions, it is considered as drug abuse. There are two kinds of drug addiction. One is psychotropic addiction and the other one is psychedelic addiction. Following are the drugs that cause psychotropic addiction. The first one is tranquilizers. Phenothiazine, benzodiazepines are minor and major tranquilizers respectively. These drugs relieve anxiety, phobic condition, reduce aggressiveness, and normalize thought and behavior. They hasten sleep and reduce intermittent awakening. Diazepam, Valium, Trizolam, Midazolam, Alprazolam, etc. are some common drugs. Sedative and hypnotics. Such drugs reduce excitement, reduce pain, and lower down the physiological or functional activity leading to drowsiness or sleep. They are more or less CNS depressant and include barbiturates and benzodiazepines. Barbiturates, these are synthetic drugs, the derivative of barbituric acid. It is a general depressant and taken to reduce anxiety and induce sleep. Continuous use of this drug result in permanent damage to brain. Phenobarbital, meflobarbital are examples of this drug, and withdrawal causes epilepsy. Epilepsy is a fairly common neurological disorder in which a person loses consciousness for a few seconds to few minutes and thereafter have no memory of its happening. Opiates or opioid narcotics. Drugs obtained from opium and its synthetic derivatives are called opiates or opioid. These drugs bring to a specific opioid These drugs bind to a specific opioid receptors present in the CNS and gastrointestinal tract. Opium is obtained from the latex of unripe capsule of Papaver somniferum, the common poppy plant that is grown in our garden as ornamental plant. Opiates have narcotic, analgesic, astringent, and sedative effect, slows down respiratory activity, and causes constriction of pupil of the eye, decrease glandular secretion, impair digestion, causes nausea and vomiting, loss in body weight, fertility, and interest in work. Morphine, codeine are prime derivatives of opium. Morphine, codeine, heroin, smack, mepridine, and methadone are various derivatives of morphine. First two of the above list are natural opiates and the rest are synthetic ones. I think it will be of greater use for your examination point of view. If you have any problem or any question, you can call me. Thank you.